Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this Easter nail art. First thing to do is to apply a base coat, and I'm using my favorite peel-off base coat, and I'm applying 2 coats, letting each layer to dry before applying another. Then, after letting it to dry, I'm applying a white nail polish. Then, I'm using this design as an Easter egg design. Then I am applying pastel colors. Then, I also did another one with different colors. Then, after letting those 2 stampers to dry, I'm applying a fast drying top coat, letting it to dry a little bit. Then, stamp the design. Then, do the cleanup. For the thumb, middle, and pinky nail, I'm using all of the pastel shades I've used and I'm applying it onto my stamper to do a smoosh nail art. After that, I did the cleanup and I also applied top coat. Then after letting it to dry, I also applied a cute rabbit on my middle nail. And then I applied top coat. And that's how I did my Easter nail art. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!